Hello everyone! It is Saturday morning at 7 o'clock and today I'm going to try and do some rolling. I'm going to try. Now, got a little bit of a break in the weather. There's the old drill, look. A little bit of a break in the weather and I managed to get a little bit of drilling done, but not with the new drill and not with my old drill, but with the old drill. Which is a 6 metre Simba free flow, which we use specifically just for beans. And I will do a video, but because I wasn't really expecting to go drilling because of all the weather that we've had, I didn't have anything with me to film it, but I've got plenty left, plenty of drilling left to film, so we will see it at some point, I promise. So we're going to put our 12 metre Cousins drill, I've got drill on the mind. 12 metre Cousins rolls on now. So I've got my drawbar in at the minute in the old 240. But I don't want the drawbar, I want the pickup pitch for these rolls. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the drawbar to the pickup pitch. Look at this dust, look. Started at 7 o'clock yesterday morning and finished at 11 o'clock last night. And I didn't have much time to do a bit of polishing. Off. So somebody asked me what this is for on my top link. It's a bit of pipe that I cut just to stop dust. So when I'm drilling and doing like a lot of land work with this tractor, you get a lot of dust. The dust gets down in between the threads and it can seize your top link up. So I put that on to stop the dust from getting in, and it's nice and free. And I do take it off every now and again. Oh yeah, unthread everything, clean it with a wire brush, and put a little bit of spray grease in there. I don't put normal grease on it because it tends to attract dust and rubbish. So let's get these rolls on. Have a look at them. Right. Right, so what we do now is I can see the pickup pitch just off the very tip of it. So I'm going to be reversing up underneath it, lift her up over onto her there, and pull the pickup pitch in as I'm reversing backwards. There we are. And like I said before, she's all the way up. Now I'm just going to drop her down again, just so it's resting on the locking mechanism. That'll do nicely there. Back out again. I tell you what, it's nice to be doing something. It really is nice to be doing something. Right, so first things first, I'm just going to wind this up and then take it off and pop it on here. Out you come, sweetheart. Tell you what, these take some greasing as well. Right, so it's a pretty simple affair, like with rolls. There's not much to plug in, not much to do. So shove them in on there, that one in there. my light socket just wrapped around there for some reason. And there. Put one in there. Light socket. Pull a bit of slack through there. Right, so we're going to just have a visual check. I greased this up and I brought them up to this end. Yeah, everything looks hunky-dory. Just try the lights. I'll turn the lights on. Put an indicator on. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's get to the field then. Right then, so we are in the field. So we'll just have to show you now how we get them unfolded. Right then, so it's these ratchets here to keep the wings in, or the outer wings. We'll just push it forward like that, and that'll swing free. The same at this side. Just make sure you can see what I'm doing. You can. There it goes. Now, I'm a bit of a swine. I don't like having things in my cab, so I just find places to hang them. Oh, there's nowhere on the actual rolls, so I hang them on my top link. There we go. Right, that's those bits done. Round to the back. There's these bars here. Just keep the whole lot in. Take that pin out. Do that. That goes onto there. Goes onto there. Same again. There. There. There we go. Right, that's all the outside bits done. So I'm going to set the camera up somewhere behind it so you can see it unfolding. There's only 2 spools in the cab, so you don't really need to, see me doing the spools, so I'll get a bit of an outside view. So I'll have a look at what we're trying to achieve. So this is a field now before it's been rolled. As you can see, it's quite rough, quite loose, a few clots about. This has been drilled. Like I said, I drilled this with beans with our Simba drill, and move over to where we've rolled. You can see now it's firm, it's flat, it's level. That's what we're trying to do, trying to firm the soil up, so if there's any like little air pockets, you know, if there's any air pockets in the seed, try and squeeze the air pockets out so you get good like seed to soil contact, and also seal the moisture in. Once you've rolled it and you've got a firm top, it keeps the moisture in the soil lower down, which is something that we don't need at the minute, but we're probably going to have a blooming drought next. So yeah, it's just to firm it up, make sure there's good seed to soil contact, trap the moisture in. So we'll have a little few more goes. Well, it'll come as no surprise, I've been rained off. It was a bit tacky anyway to begin with, but we've had some rain, so that's the end of that. Oh dear me, just it's getting tiring now, this weather. It just seems to just be fighting us all the time, and I know I'm not the only one. I know you guys out there that are on farms, I know you're all struggling. Well, it's just, you know, the advice is, you know, just sit tight and wait for better weather. That's good advice, because that's all we can do. So who knows if it'll keep raining from now until August, who knows. So yeah, so that was a bit of rolling. I wanted to get a bit more footage, but it didn't work out. Oh, dear me, it didn't work out that way. So I'll review the footage when I get home and see if I can make a video out of it. All right then, guys. I'll see you soon.